Alright, welcome back to D.L. Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. Well, tonight I started putting these fenders on here. And I made the brackets, you know. So I just got them on there for now. They're going to bolt to the frame. I'm going to use those zip nuts, those rivet nuts or whatever you call them things. So, let's see, let's get a look on this. See what you guys think of it. I think that looks okay. Once I paint them red, they kind of stand out right now with the white. You know. So, I think that'll look just fine. Looks kind of weird. They look so white on my camera here. Look like they're photo etched. But, see, I don't know. Wish it was outside, then we could see it better, you know. But yeah, you can see the brackets here that I kind of made. I got everything kind of put together right now because I got to run 2 bolts here, you know, 2 here and then 2 in the back there, you know, back here. So, and then I got to put 2 zip nuts in the side of the frame rail on each one. So, but yeah, there's just no room to stand back and look at it though, you know, so we got to kind of go with what we can do here. Yeah, so hopefully when I get it outside, they all measured even Steven from each side, so yeah. Yeah, I wish there was I like how everything's fit though. The headers fit through there nice, you know. And I can still take them off, you know, no problem. You know. So. Well, I'll do a better fender video tomorrow. So, put my drive shaft on. Oh yeah, that's right. I made a video of that too. So, anyway, I tried to do the best here that I could show you. But anyway, just a real quick video, 2-minute video. But when I get her all painted and stuff, then I'll, you know. But anyway, take care, guys. Bye.